Dear students, welcome back to your educational channel Learn and Educate, where we were studying a few definitions under the company law. Continuing the same, section 2, clause 13, books of accounts. Books of accounts includes records maintained in respect of first, all sums of money received and expended by a company and matters in relation to which the receipts and expenditure take place. 2. The sales and purchases of goods and services by the company. This means that the books of accounts includes records maintained in respect of the money received and expenses made and of making accounting for receipts and payments of cash, which means that receipt of cash and expenditures made. All sales and purchases of goods and services made by the company. This includes the sales and purchases made, receipt and payment of money, receipts and expenditure made, and all sums of money received and expenditure by company. Second, the sales and purchases of goods and services by the company. Third, accounting for the assets and liabilities of the company, which are included in the balance sheet. The sales and purchases are included in the profit and loss account, which is calculated in the net profit. Fourth, the items of cost as may be prescribed under section 148 in case of a company which belong to any class of companies as specified by section 148. As per section 148 of the Companies Act 2013, central government specifies the audit of items of accounts, cost accounts in respect of the certain companies. The central government may by order in respect of such class of companies engaged in the production of goods or services and providing such services which are prescribed and direct the particulars relating to utilization of the materials or labor and other items of cost which are prescribed which will be included in the books of accounts kept by such class of companies that the central government may issue orders in respect of such class of companies regulated by as prescribed by the amount of the turnover limits. The audit conducted by the cost accountant in practice shall be appointed by the board on the recommendation which has been determined by the member in the manner as is prescribed. Therefore, and the qualification, the disqualification, rights, duties, and obligations of the auditor shall be governed by this chapter. A company which within the period of 30 days from the date of receipt of a copy of the cost audit report prepared in persons of the directions of the central government shall report along with the full information and explanation on every reservations which has been made or qualifications conducted. Thus, the explanation of books of accounts of as per section 2 clause 13 is the cash received or payments made, all the accounting for sales and purchases of goods and services made by the company, the accounting for assets and liabilities of the company, the provisions of section 148 of the company law, the company's cost record and audit rules 2014 which has been made effective from 30th June 2014. The cost audit report includes the cost records and cost statements which have been duly signed by the cost auditor. And for the purpose of applicability of section 148, the sectors have been divided into regulated sectors and non